Hello, our dear subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. Welcome back to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction, which is the premium online channel for high-end dresses, shoes, and other fashion accessories from around the world. My dear friends, hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. Friends, this is our YouTube channel and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I am gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of floral print, casual, scatter and sheath dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these dresses, designs and looks are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible, in every occasion. So friends and viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section, so next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, you can see different type of dresses designs, and these dresses are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends and viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of sheath dresses and scattered dresses, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all.